Far beyond the gentle warmth of our sun, past the planets we once called the edge of everything, a lone creation moves through endless night. It never rests. Yet it keeps going. This traveler is Voyager 1, the farthest object ever sent by human hands. More than 24 billion kilometers from Earth, it still reaches back to us, sending faint signals across the void. Each signal is fragile, delayed, and precious, a quiet reminder that something we built is still out there, still speaking. When Voyager 1 launched in 1977, survival was never part of the plan. Its task was modest by today's standards. Visit Jupiter and Saturn, gather data for a few short years, and then fall silent. 5 years would have been a triumph. No one imagined it would escape the solar system itself. Voyager carries no artificial intelligence. No self-healing systems. No modern computing power. Its technology belongs to another century. And yet, it endures. What carried Voyager so far was a rare alignment of the outer planets, a cosmic arrangement that happens only once every 176 years. Using gravity as its engine, Voyager borrowed speed from each giant world it passed, slingshotting itself farther and faster into the unknown. Though Voyager 2 left Earth first, Voyager 1 took a steeper, swifter path and soon raced ahead. In 1979, it arrived at Jupiter and revealed a world of chaos and wonder, massive storms, raging radiation, and something no one expected: erupting volcanoes on a distant moon. A year later, Saturn unfolded before Voyager's cameras. Its rings appeared sharper, more complex, and more alive than ever imagined. After Saturn, there were no more destinations. No more flybys. No applause. But Voyager did not turn back. It pressed onward toward the invisible frontier where the sun's influence ends. The solar system exists inside a vast magnetic bubble formed by solar wind, the heliosphere. At its edge lies a boundary where particles from our star collide with the raw material of interstellar space. For decades, scientists wondered what waited there. Was the boundary violent or calm? Did space itself change? On August 25, 2012, Voyager 1 delivered the answer. Its instruments detected a surge in cosmic radiation and a rise in plasma density, unmistakable signs that it had crossed into interstellar space. Humanity had, for the first time, reached beyond the sun's domain. But the crossing held a surprise. The magnetic field did not sharply shift direction, revealing that the border between star systems is far more complex than expected. Even then, Voyager kept listening. Years later, it detected subtle plasma vibrations, deep, low-frequency waves rippling through the space between stars. These signals proved something profound: interstellar space is not empty. It hums with energy shaped by ancient explosions and galactic forces. The void is alive. Against every prediction, Voyager 1 still functions today. Its power comes from decaying plutonium, slowly turning heat into electricity. As that energy weakens, engineers have carefully shut down non-essential systems, sacrificing instruments so the spacecraft can continue to speak. Silence followed. Then, against the odds, contact was restored. Voyager survived once more. Comprehend. On board, Voyager carries a final gift: the golden record. A gold-plated disc holding the sounds of Earth, wind through trees, rolling thunder, ocean waves, music from many cultures, greetings in countless languages, and images explaining who we are. It is not meant to instruct or warn. It is meant to say hello. One day, Voyager's power will fade completely. Its instruments will shut down one by one. The antenna will fall silent. And the last human-made signal will dissolve into the background noise of the universe. For the first time since launch, Voyager 1 will be truly alone. But it will not stop. Carried by momentum alone, it will drift between the stars, no destination, no guidance, no awareness of time. In that moment, it will stop being a machine and become something else entirely. A relic. A monument. A message in motion. Long after Earth has changed beyond recognition, long after cities crumble and names disappear, Voyager will remain, unchanged, untouched, unaware. Perhaps one day it will pass near another star. Perhaps something there will notice it. Study it. Wonder. And they may ask the same question we once asked the cosmos. Who sent this, and why? If they unlock the golden record, they may hear laughter, music, rain, heartbeats. Echoes of a species that chose curiosity over fear. And even if that moment never comes, Voyager's purpose is already fulfilled. It crossed the boundary of our home. It entered the space between stars. It became humanity's first interstellar presence. Voyager 1 is more than a spacecraft. It is a reflection of our longing to understand, to explore, to reach beyond what we know. As it moves silently through the dark, it carries a simple truth written without words. We wanted to know. We dared to explore.